transferred in liquids and gases from the hotter part to the colder part. Okay, activity: take some water in a round bottom flask, keep it on a tripod stand, put a crystal of potassium permanganate in it, heat it with a burner. The water at the bottom becomes hot and rises up, and the cold water from the top moves down. This water becomes hot and rises up, and the cold water from the top moves down. The process continues till all the water gets heated. This shows that the heat is transferred by convection also. Okay. The transfer of energy in a liquid or gas: when part of gas or liquid is heated, the particles it is made up of move faster and spread out more. The moving particles bump into other particles, causing them to move faster and spread out more. Convection in air: you can see in the pic also, the air near the heat source gets heated and rise up. The air from the sides move in it to take its place. In this way, the air gets heated. If you keep one hand above a flame and other on the side of the flame, the hand at the top feels hot because the air above the heated by the convection. Hand at the side does not feel as hot because there is no convection over there. You can see in both the pics. In the very first pic, hands are just above the flame, and on the second one, heats are on the side by side. Okay. Sea breeze and land breeze. Okay. During the day, the land gets heated faster than the sea, so the air above the land gets heated, becomes hotter and rises up, and cool air from the sea moves towards the land. This is called sea breeze. Got it? During daytime, heat will faster. During daytime, land gets heated faster than the sea. The air above the land got heated and becomes hot and rises up, and cool air from the sea moves towards the land. This is called sea breeze. The air that moves from the sea to the land is called sea breeze. Land breeze: during the night, sea cools down slowly, then the land, so the hot air above the sea rises up, and cool air from the land moves towards the sea. This is called land breeze. Got it? Next is sea and land breeze. You can see in the diagrams also. Okay. When the air is hot, it will move up. Okay, and the more will be the expansion in the particles of the air due to heat, and lesser will be the heat, cooler will be the air, and it will move slowly in comparison to the hot air. Okay. You can see in the diagram also, during daytime, sea breezes move towards land. During nighttime, the sea breeze, the air from the sea will move towards the land. Okay. Sea breeze: air moves from the sea during daytime is called sea breeze. Land breeze: the air moves from the land at night called land breeze. Radiation: third method of transfer of heat, the process by which heat is transferred from one place to another without the help of any medium. The heat from the sun reaches the earth by radiation. Okay. When we sit near the fire, we feel warm due to the heat radiated, okay, by the fire. All hot bodies radiate heat. Okay. Got it? Radiations. Heat from the sun: you can feel sun warm your skin on a sunny day. This is because energy causes the particles in your skin to move faster is equal to more heat energy. Okay, let's study something more. Dark colored surfaces and colored surfaces. Okay, dark colored surfaces more amount of heat than light colored surfaces. Okay, so avoid wearing dark clothes during summer time. Okay, because they will absorb more amount of heat. Okay, let's move further. Or you want to study it? Let's study it. Okay, the colored surfaces absorb more heat than light colored surfaces. Take two tin cans of same size, paint the outer surface of one black and other white. Pour equal amount of water in each and leave them in the sunlight for about 1 hour. Make sure the temperature of the water in the both the cans is same. Okay, the water in the black can is warmer than the water in the white can. Okay, that's why the colored surfaces radiate more heat than the light colored surfaces. Okay, so let's study more. Kind of clothes we wear in summer and winter. Dark colored surfaces absorb more heat than light colored surfaces. Dark colored surfaces radiate more heat than light colored surfaces. We wear dark colored clothes in winter because it absorbs more heat and keep us warm. We wear light colored clothes in summer because it reflects most of the heat and keeps us cool. We wear woolen clothes in winter because the wool is poor conductor of heat and air in between the wool fiber prevents the loss of heat from our body, so we feel warm during winter. Okay, conduction, convection and radiation, we already studied about these three processes. You can see in direct contact it will be conduction, and the movement of the particles, it is convection. Okay, and the radiation, you can also see the heat energies lost or produced at the time of burning of an object is due to the radiation. Okay, wind we study. Wind is the horizontal movement of air from an area of high pressure to low pressure. There is uneven heating of the earth that result in global wind pattern. Two types of winds are there. Local winds are the winds that blow over short distances. Global winds blow over long distances. Okay, blow steadily from a specific direction over long distances, you can see. Then wind is caused by the difference in temperature, difference in pressure, difference in temperature. Warm air rises. Okay, warming air makes the molecules move faster and spread out. This makes the air less dense. Less dense air is light and will rise. Okay, differences in temperature. Cold air sinks. Cooling air makes the molecules move slower and group together. This makes the air more dense. More dense air will sink. Okay, difference in pressure. Rising air creates low pressure, sinking air creates high pressure. If air is lifted up, it means there is less air pushing down the earth. Sinking, it creates high pressure. If air is sinking, then the air pushing down on the surface of the earth with high amount of pressure. Okay, so dear students, we covered the topics heat in this particular video, and temperature, and the mode of transfer of heat, conduction, convection, radiation, as well as we studied about sea breeze, land breeze. Okay, and different types of winds also. And apart from, we also studied about the various scales of measurement of heat or temperature, Kelvin scale, degree Celsius and Fahrenheit scale also. So we have discussed this chapter in detail. So thank you so much, boys. Take care. And if you still are unable to understand anything in this particular discussion, you can admit your queries directly to me. Your suggestions are also welcome. Thank you so much.